again, back again. This time I got a story. I got a story. It's now a story, yeah. I got a story. I get a story. It's now a story, yeah. 12 years ago when we started dancing, imitating Michael Jackson. They used to call us Paul and Peter. We realized it Psquare better. When our mates they bubble, we did the hustle to make sure our music will escape us from trouble. Then we did try to understand why some people are not the same. The one competition to another.
Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing braids. As you guys see, the stuff is already cut and yeah, but what's gonna make this thing rather interesting is that we're gonna be listening to some old songs from Psquare, the dead love of my lives. So yeah, without further ado, let's start the video. Ready?
Just looking at me, chicks just around me. You wanna know the girl right there beside me? She's like señorita, her body bustin' like mamacita. Make it come my way, come my way. I got a lot of things to say, Baby, don't be today. You try to run away because of another man. Baby, cool it down. Yeah, I see me so I'm not gonna let you walk away. Baby, cool it down. Yeah, I see me so I'm not gonna let you walk away. I wanna go, take me, let's go, take me to that great place of wonders and wishes. Anything I do, yeah, you know how I get it to. Na collabo, yeah. She wants some collabo. I can sing for you, you can sing for me. Yeah. She said she wants some collabo. She need them badly, be like tornado. She talk say I dey play like Ronaldo. The thing they sweeter like Don Jose Minado. Eminado, we don't go Monaco. I rock her body, give her Molando. She just the holla, she the stream of Brigado. As I dey fire, I dey call her Molato. My Molato, oh yeah baby, make we collabo. I know you want me collabo. You will be you like a luma jaya. If I tell you say girl I love you, see them in them I want you, but I need you. I say me can tell you what you don't know. See many don't know. I see them I say girl I don't know. Still girl I don't know. Cause now we get to many ideas. We get to plenty I should be. like a luma chaya. Anything a man do, plenty eyes to see. You like a luma chaya. Please don't leave me there. Don't leave me there. If you hold me tight, I could treat you right. Girl, if any man put us under, I put under. Right now we not forget about the marriage. Maybe all about the money. It go vanish. But not true love to the humble you. No do gra. Good luck to the sample you. Yeah. So you can please say, girl, I love you. I love you. See them in them, I want you. Girl, I need you. I say, make I tell you what you don't know. So many don't know. I see them, I say, girl, I don't know. But still, girl, I don't know. Cause now we getting many ideas. We getting plenty, I should be. You like a luma chaya. Anything a man do, plenty eyes to see. You like a luma chaya. Please don't leave me there. Don't leave me there. If you do me personally, I rock your body. I promise you go home, you won't tell daddy. I give it to you like you never had it. Screaming, chill like speaking Chinese. Now waiting me this, back a boom boom. Now waiting I see Saga, but she know one me. She talks so she know one me. I know go lie, the things within my mind. When I see you dancing, girl, you got me high. And if you wanna try, make a good day tonight. Cause I'm in the mood. As long as you're feeling the good, I deal with you personally. Yeah. We back again. This time I got a story. This now a story, yeah. I got a story. I get the story. This now a story, yeah. 12 years ago when we started dancing, imitating Michael Jackson. They used to call us Paul and Peter. We realized it Psquare better. When our mates the bubble, we did the.
Okay, I'm finally done my hair. It took me 2 days, but a serious one evening to finish it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, hit the notification bell. I'm combing my hair now, and Nepa just brought the light. See my Christmas light. Ding dong merrily on high. I don't know if you guys want to see me come closer. Like, I know you guys are dying to see this new look. Like, you guys want to see what this look looks like. Okay, let's just do it. Calm down. Cheer me, ginger me. I'm always like this, so you guys should appreciate this me as singing. Oh my god. Ooh, I know you guys. I know your boo can't. I know your boo could not. Your boo couldn't. I know. Oh she. Oh my god, this pepper from the cooking is it's not a joke. Yeah guys, so I've made my hair basically. So this is my hair and this is what I look like. So yeah, let's start. Let's complete this music playlist of video already. Yes.
This not temptation. I said this not temptation. With a little confusion. Infatuation, all my friends they call me number 10, cause I they play like a gotcha, we score like other people, honey pico, no stand within they don't go fit to finish, I know we just beneath it, I cannot deny it, cause I they see you they eye me, something been there back to me, and I go 100 rush, when our body rush. Okay, I was tempted to touch, but there was nothing I could do. I just became a fool. Hey, now waiting man go Lord. Girl, I know my nigga rain on me. I'll give it to you while you give it to me. Yeah, these strikes like a thunder, they make me the wonder. No wonder when I sleep is you, when I dream is you, when I breathe is you, when I eat is you. I really, really like it. Forever, forever, forever. I like it. I really, really like it. Forever, forever, forever. Oh baby, every day in a story. He never treat you like a lady. I wish I was a man. I wish I was a man. Maybe anytime you're lonely, can I be the one you calling? I hope you understand. Please take my hand and come with me, my love. If you are my girl, I'll take you around the world. I'll take you places where you've never ever been before. So give me your hand, I'm giving you. So let me be the one and only. Can I be your friend and homie? I'll be a better man. I'll be a better man. I'm ready. Got no time for story. No time to be acting funny. And I hope you understand. I will give you no regret. And I swear, if you are my girl, I'll take you around the world. I'll take you places where you've never ever been before. So give me your hand. I'm giving you my word. I promise I'll be loving you forever and ever. I love you forever. I'm giving you my word. I like it. I really, really like it. If you are my girl, I'll take you around the world. I like it. I really, really like it. Forever.
I like it. I like it.
So